Welcome. There's a video I'll show you how to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. So first up, gotta go to the top right, tap on your profile and just sign in with your Facebook page. Okay. Now once you're in here, tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top right or at the bottom right. Okay. And once done, tap on settings. There you go. Go and find linked accounts right here under permissions. Tap on it. Now tap on Instagram. Okay. Now just tap on connect account and do take note that you can only connect again your Instagram professional account to a Facebook page. So if you don't know how to do it, I'm just going to show you later. Okay. So basically you're going to want to hit on continue right here, follow the simple prompts. And once done, your Facebook and Instagram will be connected. Okay. Again, if you don't know how to change your personal account to professional, could be creator or business account, just tap on your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now go ahead and find for professionals or business tools and controls. Okay. Tap on it. Now tap on switch account type. Okay. Make sure that you're under business or creator account. So just tap on switch, follow simple prompts, and once done, go back to your Facebook page and set it up. All right. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.